welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So guys, I've spoiled myself. As a little treat, early birthday present, I bought myself another Danny De Freitas mystery bag. I have done one of these videos in the past. I will link that down below and in the cards. I've literally just finished work, so I look like a hot mess right now. So I just literally touched up the makeup a little bit and my hair is in a long slick back pony. So yeah, let's just dive straight in, guys. So this is a big bag. It's bigger than my head, so it's big, okay? It's a big bag. So I've opened her up, guys, and I'm just gonna let you guys have a sneaky peek inside the bag. Is it full, guys? Because it feels full. So I'm just gonna put her down on my vanity table and I'm just gonna pick out the first item. So item number one. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is the Revolution, the Lion King highlighter. So I got a palette in the last one. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see this. So just to bear in mind, these bags may be lightly swatched, where he swatched it, or used once for a video and then put into the bundle bags. And some products might be completely brand new that is not even touched. But that's perfectly fine with me. If that's not fine with you, then maybe these bags are not for you. But for me, it's perfectly fine. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. Just wanted to treat myself. Been feeling a little bit down just lately. But yeah, life's life. And yeah, so been feeling a little bit down. So I wanted just to have a look. Also, these the money that he gets for these bundle bags is for charity. I'm not sure what charity it is, but if I find out, I will link it down below in the description. Oh, this might be a little bit too dark for me, but I can use it on my eyes maybe. So this is brand new, to be honest. It's got the seal and everything on it. So yeah, it's got like Simba in the middle. That's cute. That's really cute. We have a YSL product, guys. A YSL. So this is Pure Shot. I just think it's a cream, an SPF. Looks bougie AF. That looks really nice. So yeah, I just think it's a very high protection UV, you know, sunscreen. We have an e.l.f. product. So this is the e.l.f. Love Triangle, I can't get my words out. Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner. So it's a crayon contour. Love Triangle, I think that's the shade name for it. Oh, that's a gorgeous, like, autumnal rustic nude. Oh yeah, that would be perfect for autumn. Oh, we have a face halo. I've been wanting to try one of these for the longest time. A Sigma product. So this is a highlighter. So this is Golden Hour. Oh, we all like that Golden Hour, don't we? Oh my god, she is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Can we take a moment for this highlighter? I don't want to do it, but oh my god, that feels so buttery. Oh my god, it's like got shifts of gold. That's gonna look so beautiful, not just as highlighter but as like on the eyes. I love putting highlighter on the eyes, and it's got a little mirror with it as well, guys. Wow, this is a bougie brand. So this is the Wow Dream Filter for picture perfect color pre-shampoo mineral remover filter. Filters out colour-destroying materials. Ooh, I'll use this when we do my little at-home spa day. Let's just give it a whiff. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Ooh, what do we have here? Face Gym. Never heard of that brand before. So it's a youth reformer. Firming vitamin C. Oh, I love vitamin C. That just feels beautiful. Oh, it smells like a spa. KVD mascara, go big or go home. I'm not going to open that. Well, I am going to open the box to see the packaging. Wow. Wow. That is bougie AF. That is really nice, but I'm not going to open it because I'm near the end of my mascaras, apart from the new one that I bought, which was the the Essence one, the Essence Lash Princess. But the others, I've had them a while, so this has come just in time because I'm in need of a new mascara. Guys, we have a Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown is like the bougie-ish brand ever. I've never owned a Bobbi Brown product ever. So, I wanted to try this. So this is the Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in Ombre. Ombre stick. Oh my God. That is going to be gorgeous for autumn. Oh my God, guys. Wow. That is a gorgeous colour. That's going to be so gorgeous, you know, for like a brown smoky eye. That is going to be stunning. So this is from Rimmel, and it looks like another mascara, guys. So I'm doing well on the mascara front here. It's in Extreme Black, and it's called Wonder Volume Thrill Seeker. So again, I'm not going to open the wand because, like I say, I'm near the end of my other mascaras. But yeah, I'm in need of some new mascaras. Oh my God, we got a Benefit product. I love Benefit brow products. So this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and it's in my shade, guys, 4.5. Ooh, this is one that I've been wanting to try for a while as well. So it's another Benefit product. It's their Benefit Boing Concealer in number 2. So hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully this will be the right shade for me. This is one product I have been wanting to try for a while. Oh yeah, that shade is going to be perfect for me. Ooh, a Bondi Sands eye spray, brightening eye cream, vitamin C. I love a good eye drops, or I'm currently using these ones at the moment from Asda because I get irritated eyes all the time because I've got hay fever. So I've never tried this one, so I'll put this one aside. When I've run out of the Asda one, I will start trying this one. A Sigma brush. I've wanted a Sigma brush for ages, but Sigma brushes are so bloody expensive. Oh my God, this is a E40 Max tapered blending brush. Oh my God, she is soft. And all my other brushes need washing again. Am I going to wash them this weekend? Yes, I am, because they all need washing. We have a Huda Beauty palette. I think this is one of her new ones as well. So this is the Wild Jaguar palette. Oh my God, that just screams autumn and fall to me, guys. That is absolutely bloody stunning. I'm instantly drawn to this forest green. So I'm going to swatch that. Oh my God. This purple. Oh, I need that all over my bloody eyes. Let's do this gold. Ooh, I wanted to try this. This is the e.l.f. Brow Lift silicone. Like, it's a bit like the Anastasia Brow Freeze. You're not going to see anything. It looks like an empty pot, but it has got like a clear... Well, my finger's just gone in it. But yeah, it's just like a clear jelly for your brows. So it's like the Brow Freeze kind of thing. Oh, Danny. It's so cute. Says, but hi Tara, thank you so much for your love and for your loving support. Love, Danny. Isn't he a cutie? He's so cute. Just love him so much. I started watching Danny through Twee. I absolutely love Twee. If you haven't checked out Danny and Twee, I'll pop their channels down below. They are amazing and I love them both so, so much. And yeah, definitely go check them out, guys. But he's just a cutie and I love him so much. Deck of Scarlet. I've heard quite a few people like use Deck of Scarlet. So this is 3-way solid lip oil. Oh, I love a good lip oil. The packaging. Oh my God. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love gorgeous packaging, and this is gorgeous packaging. There she comes. Oh, that colour though, guys. Oh, I'm sold. That colour. Oh my God, that colour is going all over my lips during autumn, fall, winter. That is just juicy. That is juicy, and that is going over my lips all this autumn and maybe even into spring and summer. If it lasts that long, because I think I'm going to be using it all over the autumn and fall months. Ooh, what is this? So we've got a Lottie London Super Fake. Oh, we've got another mascara. So I've got 3 mascaras now. So I'm doing well for the mascara, guys. We have a Kiehl's product, guys. This is a bougie AF. So this is creamy eye treatment with avocado. I need something for these under eyes. Ooh, it's like a nice thick cream. I need something for these shopping bags. I'm telling you, these are bags for life under my eyeballs. Ooh, we have some gorgeous eyelash lashes. So these are the Luxe Velvet Noir. Nightfall. Beautiful. They are stunning. Coming to the last few products. Oh, we have another brush. You're always good to have extra brushes. So this is a Morphe X Nate FF4 brush. So it's like a flat-sided fluffy brush. Oh, that is so soft. Oh, we have a Ciate Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. Oh, that is super cute. Look at the packaging. That is adorable. Oh my God, that is going to be stunning on the cheeks. It's like a baby pink. I believe we've got one last product, guys, which are a pair of doll lashes. I love doll lashes. So these are in the style Gilly. So that's everything that I got in this bag, guys. I will put the price of everything, so what I paid for it and the price that it all came to, the total of the products. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're updated every time that I upload a video, which is every Sunday and every Wednesday. And I will see you in my next upload, guys. I love you always. Stay safe, whatever you are doing. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.